The software giant Adobe, known for its Creative Suite products, recently announced its first quarter results report, exceeding estimates from analysts for revenue and adjusted earnings per share. Even though Adobe beat earnings expectations, the stock price went down after market hours because investors were worried about the company's lower sales forecast for the next quarter. Adobe's financial results were mixed. The company did well in the first quarter, making more money per share, $4.48 than analysts expected, $0.10. Revenue also exceeded expectations, rising 11% quarter over quarter. They also announced a big stock buyback, which is a sign they believe their stock price is undervalued. Analysts' estimates for Adobe's sales for upcoming quarter were not met. The corporation expects to earn less money than experts predicted, especially in their digital media division, which is a big part of their total revenue. Instead of hitting $5.31 billion in sales next quarter, they now predict reaching only $5.3 billion. They expect sales in their digital media business of up to $3.9 billion, somewhat less than the $3.91 billion analysts were expecting. The company's CEO, Shantanu Narayan, talked about doing well and using new technology to create images, generative AI, in the statement. But they didn't mention their specific product by name. This omission may have contributed to investor concerns, particularly given recent reports of issues with generative AI software, including Adobe's. Investors aren't sure if Adobe's AI features actually work well. There have been reports of problems, and new technology is a challenge for Adobe, and investors might be waiting to see if these features are effective before getting confident about Adobe's future. Adobe has approved a new stock repurchase authorization, allowing the company to buy back up to $25 billion of its common stock by March 14, 2028. The program's goals are to reduce total share count over time, minimize dilution from new stock issuances, and return value to Adobe's shareholders. With this authority, Adobe is able to buy back shares from third parties through structured repurchase agreements as well as open market transactions.
If you would like us to research a stock, please tweet at Collective REC or leave a comment here.
Like and subscribe for potential investment ideas. Become a member at www.collective-research.com.
Receive investment ideas before they are published.
Collective Research. Active fundamental research in global capital markets. Make informed decisions.